Whew. Man, with all this Jordan talk in The Last Dance, it's time for me to educate you guys on some heat. What is going on today, guys? It is your boy Wingstop Poppy, and we have a very special unboxing today because I have picked up one of my LeBron James sneaker grails. You see, I had to pull out the LeBron jersey for this video. It was 100% necessary. If only it was the Heat jersey, but it is what it is. But anyways, before we get into this unboxing, please hit that like and subscribe, and feel free to follow me on Instagram and see how I style these beautiful sneakers. Now, I'm going to get right into it. I've been searching for the shoe for 10 years, off and on. It's not like every day I try to look up this shoe and see if I can buy it. It's like maybe like a yearly thing. I'll check prices and see if I can get one in my ballpark range, because I don't like to spend a lot of money on a pair of shoes, especially an older pair of shoes. Like if I can get a good price, I'll make the purchase. But a dead stock pair for like over $1,000, nah, I'm not doing that. But when I saw these come across my eyes, I had to pull the trigger. I did move a couple things in my closet in order to justify this purchase. I didn't break the bank on these. I found a really good price on a trusted platform as well. So let me tell you guys how I even found these and like the story behind it, why I went on this hunt. Last Sunday, someone I follow on Twitter posted a picture of this shoe. And then, like, I don't know, it just set off this thing in my brain, be like, hey, let's go look up prices and see if I can find one. So I went on GOAT, and I know GOAT Used has a used section where you can buy used clothes, or I mean, used shoes, sorry. But they also have this section called GOAT Clean. So what GOAT Clean is that they actually take the shoe from the seller, get shipped to the GOAT warehouse, and GOAT actually cleans down the full shoe, thoroughly cleans it, cleans out the insoles, everything. Like I said, they thoroughly clean down the shoe. And then what else is nice about GOAT Clean is that if you're not satisfied with the sneaker that you get, you can actually send it back to GOAT Clean and get GOAT credit. So, like I said, if you don't like the shoe, you can send it back and you get GOAT credit. So it's pretty nice that like you don't have to get stuck with the shoe if you're not satisfied. So that's exactly what I did with these. So let's just get right into it. Like I said, this is a sneaker grail of mine. I'm so happy to have these. And as you guys can see, it does come in the OG box. Now there is some stuff on GOAT Used that doesn't come in the OG box, but these did. Box is a little kind of beat up, but I mean, it's a 10-year-old shoe. Like, what do you expect? But anyways, you guys see the LeBron logo and the LeBron lion. I absolutely love these boxes. I remember these from back in the day. Now, I never had this shoe, like I said. I never had it. I've always wanted it. I just never could find like a good enough price to pull the trigger. It's the LeBron 8 Retro Black Pink Flash green and mint green, sorry. And I know it's 100% authentic because it has a foot action sticker up here as well. And it is a LeBron 8 V1. There is a V2, but that's for another day. So anyways, let's just get right into these beautiful shoes. And oh my goodness gracious. Whew! There is no better feeling when you've been hunting and bang, you just get your grails like that. This is the LeBron 8 South Beach. Now for the people at home who don't know, this shoe is probably the pinnacle of the LeBron James sneaker line. There's not a better general release LeBron out there. Call me a hypebeast, call me whatever you want, but when this shoe dropped, this shoe meant business. It's actually funny how this shoe dropped back in 2010. It was right after the decision, right before the Heat were going to start playing. As we all know, LeBron James left Cleveland on national television to go play for the Heat. So what did Nike do? They came up with a South Beach colorway for the LeBron 8, which was the signature model he wore his first year in Miami. And the funny thing was that this shoe, when it came out, it actually sat for a few days. The shoe actually sat around. Like, people were buying these up. Well, they were sitting on shelves when they dropped. I believe they dropped in October. And for some reason, they sat. Now, I was a sophomore in high school. I'm pretty sure I didn't even have my driver's license, so it's not like I could go out to the mall and buy this shoe even if I wanted to. And at the time, like, I don't even know what I was like, if I was like even following like LeBron sneakers. I mean, I knew I was into Nike basketball, but I knew I had the LeBron 5s, but I didn't have any of the 6s or 7s back in the day, even though I really liked them. I think I was more into Jordans at that point. So yeah, so I just never like went out to the mall and get these. But then, like, all of a sudden, this shoe just shot up in price. Like, it was sitting on the shelf, and 2 days later, it was like a $400 sneaker. And then eventually, once I really got into Nike basketball, well, I bought the LeBron 9s, and then I started, like, getting into the LeBron line back after I got those 9s, and then this shoe is at, like, $800. So there was no way I was touching this. And I remember going to, like, sneaker cons and stuff, because if you guys don't know, Nike basketball between like 2010, this was the start. This was the start of like Nike basketball's run between 2010, 2014, I would say. Nike basketball was killing the game, and this shoe started it off. Like, this shoe caused pandemonium. And I remember at sneaker cons, people were offering like $1,200 for these dead stock. And obviously, I wasn't going to pay $1,200. I would never pay $1,000 for a sneaker. That's just me. So yeah, that's why I had to hunt down a used pair of these. Now, these are absolutely amazing. I know they do have some scuffs on them, and the sole's yellow, but like I said, it is a 10-year-old shoe, so I kind of expected that. Now, also with Goat Clean, they do have a ranking scale. They have excellent, very good, good, and I think that's it. These were ranked very good, and for the age and the price, I had to like take this deal. I guess I didn't have to, but I didn't want to buy these like on eBay or anything because, I don't know, you can't really like see photos good enough online until you get them in hand. And like I said, with Goat Use, you can send them back if you're not happy. So I knew that this was a trusted platform, and for the price, I felt safe about doing it. And I knew since these pairs in this condition are very rare, especially, like I said, shoe's 10 years old. Dead stock pairs fluctuate around like $900, $1,200. Like I said, I'm not paying that. So I felt like I had to pull the trigger on these. And like I said, I did move some things in order to make this purchase happen. But yeah, I am so excited about these. And I know they're probably going to retro these. I don't know when the 8s are going to retro. Oh, shoot. As you guys know, they have been retroing the 7s. As you guys have seen my videos, I picked up a lot of pairs of 7s because I absolutely love the LeBron 7. 7 and 8s are my favorite LeBrons in the whole signature line. So when these do retro for the 8s, I will definitely be doubling up. I don't care that they're going to retro. Now I have an OG pair I can wear this summer. And then once the retro 8s come out, I will buy 2 pairs of this colorway. If this colorway does in fact come out, which I think Nike would be dumb if they didn't retro this colorway just because they know that this will sell out. If they drop these again, they will sell out. And if they don't, then the LeBron James sneaker line might be actually dead. But anyways, I enjoy these shoes, and it's just so cool to finally like own these, especially since I've wanted these for 10 years. 10 years. And if you guys have any grails out there that you guys are still searching for, comment down below in the description. I would love to hear from you guys because all that new stuff is cool. The Off-White Travis Scotts are cool, but nothing has got me excited as actually picking up a shoe you've been searching for so long. It's just like mission accomplished finally, and I cannot wait to wear these. You guys have no idea how excited I am to put these on my feet and wear them. The only thing I'm nervous about is the sole giving out, but it feels pretty sturdy, so it is what it is. I'm going to pray that they don't give out on me, and I'm going to pray that I can rock these this summer. Quarantine over, I'm hitting the bar, and I'll be drinking a margarita in my South Beach 8s. That's my goal for the summer. Hopefully, we'll be able to get out of here and enjoy our summers. But anyways, hope you guys liked today's video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.